Okay, so this video is going to show how to make APA figures in SPSS. Kind of like the table, at least for the most part. You can get most of the formatting done within SPSS before you copy over to Word. So first thing I'm going to do is double click here on the chart that I want to use. So the first thing I'm going to change is all the labels. So I'm going to get rid of this one altogether. And I just click on it until it gives me what I want. This one I'm going to change to my dependent variable, which was subjectivity. And I want to take away the bold. This one was individuality. And again, I want to take away the bold. And this one is compassion. And I also need to make that not bold. And then because I didn't label my values, I'm going to make the ones and twos lows and highs for both variables. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is remove the grid lines. That's really easy. There's this button that says hide grid lines, and it just takes it away. The next thing I want to do is change all the colored stuff to black and white. In APA, there's only black and white figures. The only exception is if you used photographs in your surveys, you can do those in color. That's true for student papers. That's not necessarily going to be true for published papers. It's less of an issue now, but you still see it in the rules for APA that all figures are in black and white. But for purposes of this paper, graphs and such should be in black and white, but actual photographs, those can be color. So I'm going to right click on these little circle things and go to select and all marker so that I can change the border to black. I'm going to close that. And then to change these lines to black, I'm going to select the one that I want over here. And for low compassion, I'm just going to make that a solid black line. For high compassion, double click, I'm going to change the style to a dashed line. And yeah, that looks good. And that's pretty much everything I'm going to do here. I'm going to copy. And this is the same Word document that I did the tables in. Your figures will go on a new page, so that's what I've started with. figure 1, and then my title for the figure is going to be in italics, and I'm going to call this individuality by and then I'm going to paste. There we go. And then down here, you just want to make sure that you're below the figure if you're going to do a note. I'm just going to say the interaction while there is was, because we use past tense, while there was an interaction, it was not statistically significant. And that's your figure, using SPSS to do most of the work. Yeah, pretty cool.